Good morning, everyone. Second video of retail management become third some subject Rani Chandma University, Belgavi. Today we discuss regarding evaluation of retailing in India. Evaluation of retailing in India nowadays, while butter would be considered to the oldest form of retail trade since independence, retail in India has evolved to support the unique needs of our country. Unique needs of our country, and it's basically to helpful for the customers in our different society because they given its a size and complexity to be in the minds and meals have always been a part of the Indian independence. They still continue. Then at the stages of evaluation of retail in India, the first stage pre-economic reform stage before 1990, second one post-economic reform stage 1990 2005, the retail expansion stage 2005 to 2010, then consolidation stage 2010 onwards. Means it's how can the expansion of evaluation of retailing in India the step by step, but nowadays they have the very much pride future of the retail management in India. The rule of the retailer, naturally the retailers have their choice from several different types of categories like rules, the most popular being the thing that the following below, the first thing assembly and sorting of merchandise, then break the bulk goods, holding stocks, collect market information, marketing functions to the retailer can't be brands to final consumers. Retailers reach the consumer at a key moments of a truth influencing, and its go for the eighth one, retailer stores are important marketing for the medium for shopper marketing. Then it's to be a ninth one, the promotion of product and aims to achieve maximum satisfaction of consumers and the risk bearing. They think how can the rule of retailer to involve the rules in the society. It's the sorting of merchandise and the break the bulk goods, and the start the retails to reach everyone. The door to door means holding stocks, the collection market information those people have to like they market on the behalf of the market. We have to collect the information to start their marketing functions, they particular in the area. Then they how can linkage between retailer as a link between producer and consumer. The producer and consumer is the very important part. Who's in a product to be producer to the up to reach to door to consumer, like the first one service to producer and the wholesaler, like a purchase of bulk goods and supply as a small unit to the consumer. It is the first function of service to procedure and wholesaler. Then direct contact with consumer, then collect market consumer information, hold the stock, advertising in his ways they think. Then it's the service to consumers of the variety goods of available into the market. The consumer on the behalf of choice and the behalf of interesting he to be consume the goods and the standard and luxury goods available in the single store. The different company and abroad goods available in the retail also. The credit facility, the new product information, those product have to start their production in the first step in the introductory stage, then that information available to the our below the customers. Then the challenges faced by retailer, how can challenges faced by the retailer in the market. The first one, keeping up with her changing customer expectations. The customer expectations, they particularly work with the change in the market scenario in the 21st world. Then it's go for maintaining customer loyalty. The customer have to maintain their loyalty, the retailer have to consume their work. Then managing internal communication, then retailing and engaging some of the employee of the work condition. Then it's go for the lack of technology adoption because it's the challenge faced by the retailer in the nowadays market. It is to be lack of technology adoption because we have the facing a problem of technology. We have the lack of facing a technology regarding the. Then sixth one, frauds in retail, so insufficient supply chain management, the price war, the culture diversity, to the tax structure and power supply into the work. It's we complete here. Thank you.